Planning your international journey is an exciting adventure, but it starts with one crucial step: acquiring a visa. Navigating the visa application process can seem daunting, but with our clear guide, you'll be prepared every step of the way. First, let's dive into the visa application process. It's essential to understand the specific requirements for your destination country. Begin by visiting the official government website or contacting their embassy. Carefully fill out the application forms, attach a recent passport-sized photograph, and pay the necessary fees. Remember, each country has distinct rules, so attention to detail is key. Now that we have a grasp on the process, let's move on to the required documents. Commonly needed documents include a valid passport with at least 6 months validity, travel insurance papers, proof of accommodation, and confirmed return flight tickets. For added security, carry copies of these documents. With the documents in hand, here are some tips to prepare for your trip. Start by checking health advisories and vaccination requirements for your destination. Consider the local culture and customs to ensure respectful travel. It's also wise to inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your debit or credit cards. In closing, preparation is the key to a smooth travel experience, so start your visa application process today. Equipped with this knowledge, your path to international exploration is clearer and more exciting. Bon voyage!